If you have a 403b investment account from working at a school or a nonprofit and you no longer work with that organization, you may want to consider moving money out of that investment account into an IRA. It's called a rollover, and the IRS allows you to do this. But you should know that because people are now starting to save in both traditional pre-tax 403bs where you're getting a tax break, and then also Roth-style accounts where you get tax-free growth in the future, you just want to know which type of account you have and which type of IRA it's going into, because there are tax consequences of moving money from a pre-tax 403b into a Roth IRA. Once you figure that out though, there are a couple of good reasons why you'll want to move money into an IRA. The first is that IRAs tend to offer cheaper and better investment options than 403b accounts. Many 403b accounts have just a small list of investment funds. They tend to have high expense ratios. That's a charge that you incur as an investor in the fund. And they may also have administrative costs for being in the plan. IRAs have access to the whole universe of investment funds. You can do it into low-cost index funds, and they don't usually have a lot of additional fees that you're charged as an investor. The second reason you might want to move money over into an IRA is that it lets you do a technique for charitable giving called qualified charitable distributions, or QCDs. This lets you give money to charity from your IRA in a tax-free way as long as you're the age of 70 and a half or older. Many of our clients do all of their annual giving from the QCDs in their IRAs, and it's just not something that 403b accounts allow. The rules don't let you do this technique. So if you're charitably inclined and you are at least 70 and a half, moving money over into an IRA lets you use this fantastic giving technique. Reach out if you have questions about your 403b account and why it may make sense in your situation to roll it over into an IRA.